Hello there, minions of technology. My name is Tim Lee. Welcome to Legacy Studio and another episode here where we're going to play a little bit of a vintage game. If you haven't heard of emulators and ROMs, there is a really great system that I've been enjoying called RetroArch, or RetroArch, depending on how you say it. And today I want to play a little bit more of Desert Strike. Okay, it's a game I loved when I was a kid. By the way, humongous thanks. 5,697 subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and see that number click up. Not on exactly at the same time you do because I pre-recorded this. But in any case, also want to say a humongous thanks to our legacy historians, Sean Hammond and Tony Allen. These guys are absolutely incredible, paying at the top tier to support the channel. Our Dorka historians, all these amazing people, and our early access historians, including this person right here, which happens to be my awesome sister. So yes, humongous thanks to everyone who supports my channel. I deeply, deeply appreciate each and every one of you. All right, I'm loading up the game here. It's time to play a little bit of this right now, and we're going to load up our SNES and our BSNES 2014 Balanced Core in RetroArch and run this game. Let's see how this goes. Maybe you'll recall a little bit of the sounds and things as we get into it too. I hope it brings back your childhood a little bit as it does mine. So this emulator does great. I love that I can capture it for you and share it with you right here on screen. Look at how, I mean, this is so good. It's so good. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm not going to bother reading you the story. It reads through really fast. They don't really give you much time to read through it. And I'm obviously terrible at reading. All right, here we are. With momentum. That's what it was. So last time I played this game, I got stuck, and I was having a really hard time controlling it. I wanted it to be set with momentum, and I didn't realize what I was doing, and I set it in cockpit mode, which means basically as you're using your controller, which is right here, you're looking as if you're flying. You'd have to play it to understand, and it just didn't make much sense. And also, I like that feeling of not having complete control. The helicopter was super locked; it would just like go forward and to the side. Now you'll see it kind of flutters back and flutters forward, flutters around, and I like that. It feels much more natural to what I remember as a kid. All right, now before we get started here, weapons armed. Before we get into this, I'm going to go ahead and quickly go into my start menu, and we have a few things that we have to get. We got to get these radar sites. There's some power stations and airfields and command centers, and I got to go and destroy all of these as much as possible. Secret agents. I find it interesting that there's so many of them. We'll come back to that. And then VDA. Whatever that VDA is on the far side. Doesn't sound right. And Raptors. Wow. Triple A's. MIAs. Oh, MIAs. We got to get these guys. So I'm actually kind of thinking I might fly to the far side, the top left, to go and get that first one. And fuel drums, ammo crates, and the landing zone. Okay, so we actually have a lot to do, and I might not actually get to do it all in this video, but we'll see. Let's go ahead and get out of here, and we're going to start by heading this direction and hopefully not getting shot down as we try to get over here as far as I possibly can. And my theory is I'll come in from the side and at least get that MIA. POW MIA. So, okay, there's some fuel tanks. I'm gonna start circling in here. Okay, good, we're at the top of the map. Let me head this direction and see what we get over here. Oh dear. Okay, here's the guy that we're trying to get. Alright, so, okay, I can take care of him real quick. And take care of him too. There we go. Alright, there we go. We'll get you. Good. Now, let's see what's next. Alright, let's go back to mission. That's the map. Alright, mission. Radar RS-152A. Destroy at early warning radar sites. The enemy weapons have increased in range. Okay, we basically got to get all these. Oh, and then find secret intelligence agents. So there's actually quite a bit to do. I wonder if that's basically the whole idea. Like this isn't like level 1. Maybe this is the whole game. I never actually got far enough to do any more research past that. So, let me head back down the shoreline. I know it's like the long way around, but I'm going to go drop off this MIA. And we'll see what happens next. I mean, I haven't played this game in years, except for last night. But, so here we go. We'll turn around to land. There's that guy. It's always so refreshing doing that. And then you can come here and you can check your fuel. I have 70 fuel, 600 armor, 3 lives, 8 missiles, plenty of everything. So I'm not too worried just yet about gas. I'm not even sure about how to worry about gas just yet. Okay. Okay. So, what am I hearing? Oh, you? I don't mean to keep using that. There, come on, there. Alright, here's another one. Does anybody else realize that this is like an Apache helicopter, and I am picking up people with an Apache helicopter? Technically, there is no room in this helicopter for extra people, so that's just something I'm noticing personally. But I digress. It'd be better if it was like a Huey helicopter or a Comanche helicopter or something like that. Comanche? Are Comanches? Oh, hello. Okay. Who's shooting me? You're dead. You are so dead now. Bye. Bye. Oh, I totally shot you. Come on. I got like 50 cal. You got like a pistol. See, now, am I supposed to take this out? I can take you out, at least. There. See, you gone. Oh, you're not gone. You are definitely not gone. You're gone. Okay, but, missiles. I could use some extra missiles. Okay. Cool. Now, no one's here, so I'm safe for the moment. Let's see about this map. Okay, that's for fuel drums, ammo crates, landing zones. I'm wondering if I'm supposed to destroy these barracks or not. Doesn't look like it, so I'm going to leave it alone. Oh, but there's an MIA just right down the road from me, so I'm going to go get that guy. He's this way and down here. So he should be right over here somewhere. Right over here. Somewhere. Don't walk in front of him. What are you doing? There, and I bet you I killed him. Oh, good. He's still good. He's still good. I think I've killed these guys before. Oh, sorry. My bad. There you go. Let's go drop this off since we're kind of right here anyway. Ooh, I might get some gas. I may get some gas. Oh, yep. Definitely going to need some gas. So let me quickly roll over here. There we go. Now you can shut up. There we go. So what do we get? 2 or 3? There's 1. We only got 1? I thought we had more. Let me see how much gas I got now. 98. Okay, so I'm good. So apparently those fuel tanks fill you up all the way, which is great. Which is great. It's so great. Alright, so next up is going to be taking out this first radar, I guess. So I need to learn the controls better. Okay, so I think it was like right here. Oh, stop it! I hate that I keep using my missiles when I mean to use my cannons. There, now you're dead. Okay, now use a missile. Now use another missile. There. And don't you love that sound? Listen to the missile. Here we go. Isn't that lovely? That is just such a lovely sound. Okay. Let's see. Next up, the next radar is to our left. So we're going to head that way now. I hope you're enjoying this. If you are, hit that like button. I know I'm not like a crazy talkative gamer. I'm just a guy enjoying his childhood. And it's fun, you know, and I want to share it with you guys. So why not hit the record button and find some of the old games that I hate when I use my missiles. Until I mean to, like this one. Missile, 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 missile. Low armor. Okay, I'm backing up. I'm backing it on up now. Okay, how do we get more armor? I don't think we can get more armor. I can get more missiles. But I don't know if I can get more armor. Okay. Let's check this. Armor's at 45. Rapiers. VDA. Whatever VDA is. Maybe we'll go see what that VDA is. Secret agents. Command centers. Airfields. Power stations. Radar sites. Landing zones. Ammo crates. Fuel drums. Would a fuel drum... Maybe... okay, I have two theories that come to mind. Maybe a fuel drum would give me some recharge? I doubt it, but I'm going to try anyway. And then the other theory I have is maybe MIAs. Maybe getting MIAs helps. And then I also want to go see what that VDA is. Okay, let's see what happens now. Nope, still nearly dead. So I'm going to go down this this right side, and I'm going to fly up the right side in here, and hopefully we'll see what we get. Hopefully without getting shot up too much. Oh, boy. Okay. I'm going as quick as I can here to get past all this. Yes, I'm aware I'm in a danger zone. Thank you! Alright. I'm on the side of the map now. Might be doing some editing to take out the slow parts. We're gonna go see what this VDA is, though. Right now it's a bunch of trees. Okay. Where am I at? Okay, I'm almost on top of it. So, let me go ahead and go back here. We're gonna select VDA, and we're gonna go see what it is. We're right on top of it. So let's go this way. Is that it? Power? Well, why not? I mean, that might not have been... Oh, dear! Oh, dear! Oh, dear! Maybe that's a V. That might have been the VDA. 3 lives. That probably was the VDA. Let's see if I can take it out. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. I don't know what's going on here. I just want to take out this guy before he takes me out. There we go. Are they shooting at me? They can't be shooting at me. Friendly troops destroyed? No, 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 no. Not while I'm here. Not while I'm here. Not while I'm here. Let's go. And we're moving. And we're not moving. And we're moving. Okay. That probably did a lot of damage to me. And that was one of our lives. Oh, gas. Gas, gas. Gas, 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 gas. I want the gas. I want the gas. I want the gas. Now I want to get out of here. Okay. Holy mackerel, those are big guns. Oh, that's a lot of big guns. Oh, that's a lot of big guns. Oh, that's a lot of big guns. Oh, bigger guns. Hi. Whoa, wait a minute. What's going on? No, don't you dare. I didn't realize I was flying by the airport. That was it. Oh, I hate that. I remember that. And I remember how the thing always looks like it's smiling at you. Yeah, it stank. Yeah. If you want to see more of this, then hit that like button and we'll play this game again. But I've tried until I died, and I think that that's probably all you can endure at this point. If you want to see more, like I said, hit that like button, and I'll try playing it again. Or, of course, don't forget, you can get any game, any like Game Boy Advance, any PlayStation game, which I haven't been having much luck downloading PlayStation games, but Game Boy Advance, Game Boy Color, any of those older systems, even Dreamcast, for Pete's sake. If there's a game you want me to try, and as long as it's a clean game, I'm totally game. So, game. So we'll see you next time, my friends. Keep it crispy. First Tim 412. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for considering subscribing and adding your number to that list. Deeply appreciate you. We'll see you next time right here on Legacy Studio. Bye.